Hello again, dear traders. Welcome back to the FXGlory YouTube channel. This is Connor Canvey speaking, and once again, I'm back with another tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Expert Advisors or EAs on your MT4 platform. It is a super easy 5-step process, so bear with me. Let's get down to the business. Step number 1. Open the MT4 platform, select File from the main menu. Step 2. Click on Open Data folder to bring up a new folder panel. Step 3. Select the MQL4 folder followed by the experts file. Before getting to the next step, you should have already downloaded your EA and have it somewhere on your desktop or one of your drivers. I already have my EA on my desktop. Then we get to a step 4, where you should drag and drop your EA file or files into this folder. And the last step is to restart MetaTrader 4 for your changes to take effect. Well, that's it. Super easy. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. What other tutorial do you need? Why don't you leave a comment about it? Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when we upload a new tutorial. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and till the next time, happy trading!